Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to T-Tablet 5G. Begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of T-Tablet. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, Then close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. Then wait. You can also input this key into Input Key section before it expires. And then to connect, hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!